have a hypothesis that the reason why after supernova, the disk that's formed after is formed is because stars are not perfect spheres. They're like 96% of a sphere, which means that there's a denser point in a star than the other points in a star that's thicker, and the core is included. And the core has denser atoms, which means that there's more mass. So that automatically creates a disk due to relation of mass and gravity, as well as the magnetics of the atoms pulling on the other magnetics of the atoms in the different positions as the atoms rotate and move around in space-time. Hope you enjoy my hypotheses. Curious atoms.